What is the capital of France?
Are you looking to create quiz videos for YouTube like this one? Well, in this video, I will show exactly how you can do it step by step. Quiz videos are quite popular on YouTube. You can get millions of views and monetize the content as well. Now start the chat. Before starting a chat, we need to select our topic. I have created a document I will share in the video description. You can use this document to start with a template. Here are 10 quite popular topics. Let's choose the first one, which is general knowledge. Now you can copy my prompt and paste it in the chat GPT. Here you need to make few changes before sending it. First, make sure to change paste topic here with above any of 10 topic. Then it will generate 10 questions. You can change to 100 or any of your choice as well. Let's change the topic and send it. Now our quiz is ready. Let's select the question number 1. Now move to step 2. In step 2, visit canva.com, and here you need to click on templates on the left sidebar. Search for quiz videos. You will get 100 of free templates. For the demo purpose, we will create YouTube short. So we will select a template for short. This one looks good. Let's open it. Once you open it in Canva, you need to edit it. To edit it, you can see in the bottom, there are multiple layers. You can click on any layer and edit that specific element, or you can also delete that. For example, let's edit a text. First, you can adjust the screen by zooming in. Now I will delete the following text. To delete it, click on it and press delete. Now let's change the heading size. Click on it, resize it. Now it's time to change our question. To change it, click on it, select all. Now copy this question and paste it here. The question has been changed. You can adjust the font and its size as well. Then we will add our options. Let's change the options. To change, copy the options. Come here, click on the option, then change it. Or you can type as well. Similarly, we will adjust all 3 options. Now you can see our quiz is ready, but we need to select the correct option. Currently it's set to option A. To choose the correct option in the timeline, look for the correct option. You can see it's currently set to Tokyo. You can change it by clicking on it. So click on it and adjust the correct answer. You can change its position next to the correct answer as well. Now it's time to add voiceover. Click on AI voice. And here simply enter the question. You can also choose any character. The 2 characters are paid and 2 are free. I will choose the free one. Then add the question. Click generate. The audio has been generated. Now you need to adjust the audio as well. Make sure to drag it in the start so it will play in the start. Now let's add a countdown timer, a 5-second countdown timer. You can download it from the video description. Then you need to upload it here. Once you upload, drag and drop in the timeline. Make sure to drag it to the top. Now you need to resize it and adjust it. I have resized it and placed it here. Now you can see it will take 5 seconds before the correct answer is shown. So you can also add a timer sound as well. Now let's add some animation to our timer. I will add fade. Click fade. The fade animation is ready. So there are a bunch of editing options. You can use any option and customize the template as per your needs. Now I will add countdown timer sound. You can also download it from the video description. Simply upload it. Then drag and drop in the correct position. Make sure to layer it along the timer. Here is our preview.
What is the capital of France?
So our video is now ready. Let's preview it.
What is the capital of France?
So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.